Hello, this is Emma of EmmaLiveYoga, and welcome to day 14 of our daily yoga fix for beginners. So we made it, got through the challenge. Well done. I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're establishing a healthy habit of practicing just a little bit of yoga every day. So come into a comfortable seated position. Make sure that you have plenty of room to practice, you're well hydrated, and you have everything that you need. And as we arrive here, either on the mat or a chair base, press the palms of the hands together. And we'll begin with the vibration of Om. So taking a breath in. Om. Gently bow the head. Gentle squeeze of the pelvic floor. And as you begin to bring attention to the flow of the breath, take these initial moments of mindfulness to check in with how your body is feeling, the flow of the thoughts and the emotions. And then take in a deeper breath. And exhale and gently open the eyes, release the hands. So taking the legs out to a wider stance. If you're in the chair, you'll just bring the feet to the floor. If you're on the mat, you can take the legs as wide as you can comfortably sustain. Know that you can sit up on some things. If your back starts to round, just make sure you can sit tall. That's it. And then just bring the hands together, interweave the fingers. Inhale, exhale, and just lean forward a little and then drift over to your left side. Inhaling as you roll back, drop the shoulders. Exhaling as you roll forward. Good. Inhaling to roll back, point the toes. Exhaling to roll forward. Do one more in this direction. Inhale, try and straighten through the elbows. That's it. Exhale. Just getting some nice mobilization going on. Pause. Inhale. Exhale, change direction. Inhale, squeeze the pelvic floor. Exhale to circle forward. Good. Last one. Inhale. So you might go a bit deeper. Just see how you feel. Exhale. Good. As we come back, inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, reverse the position of the palms and press them up to your own measure. So you might be anywhere on this trajectory, that's fine. Inhale, exhale, and release, and then round the back, chin towards the chest. And then inhale, release the hands, sit up tall. Exhale. Inhale from here, just take hold of the back of the knees. Exhale, bring the soles of the feet together. Baddha Konasana. Inhale, sit tall. Exhale, bring the fingertips of the right hand down, or maybe the palm of the hand. And then inhale, come into a side lean. And then exhale, bring the fingertips down. So make this into a dynamic action. Inhale, lifting, you might open. Exhale, as we release back down. Last one. Inhale, lifting and opening. Exhale, releasing back down. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, teeny tiny forward bend. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, fingertips or palms down on the left side. Inhale, swoosh the arm up. And then exhale all the way down. Good. Inhale. So the head can follow the hand if that's comfortable on your neck. Exhale. Otherwise, just look straight ahead. Inhale to lift and reach. Exhale as you come back. Good. Inhale, lift back to center and exhale. So from here, just guide the knees back towards each other. And from this position with the heels on the floor again, take the feet apart. You can use the hands and then just inhale, lift up into Malasana or Garland pose. You can press the palms of the hands together. If this feels too low, remember on a chair, you can just sit and just have the forearms resting on the thighs. You can do the same from standing. So if you need to be higher, that's no problem. As you arrive here, just bring a little bit of movement through the lower body. Breathing and feeling as we release through the shoulders. Very good. And then from this position, just stabilize. Inhale. On the exhale, just see if you can hinge through the hips. So you can then just round down through the hips. Might be just a little bit. Keep the back of the neck long. You might continue to roll forward and bring the forearms down, let the head dangle. You can do the same from a chair position. Just releasing through the back of the body, just to your own measure. Good, and squeeze the pelvic floor. Inhale, lift again, press the palms together. Exhale. From here, press through the heels. Inhale, keep the feet externally rotated. And exhale, see if you can lift up a bit higher. Inhale, keep pressing through the heels, lift all the way up. Good, and then exhale. Swim the arms round and down and bring the hands to the hips. Inhale, step the feet wide on the mat. Exhale, and again, take the toes to an external rotation. As we said, I've got Utthata, Konasana, or goddess pose. As we arrive here, inhale. Exhale, bring the hands to the center of the chest. Inhale, just a teeny tiny bend initially, see how the knees feel. And then exhale to press through the heels. Good. And again, inhale. Exhale, drop the shoulders, lift the chest. Last one. Inhale, sinking down. And then exhale. Good. From here, release the prayer hands. Inhale, scoop the palms of the hands up. Exhale, take hold of the left wrist. Inhale as you sway over to that left side. Exhale, keeping the wide angle, and take the left wrist. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, easy sway. We'll repeat this once more. Inhale, take the right wrist. Exhale to sway. Good. Lifting through the center. Inhale, take the left wrist. Exhale. Good. Then inhale, reach up through the fingertips. Exhale and circle down through flamenco wrists. From here, shake out the wrists. Inhale, bring the hands back to prayer position and exhale. This time on the inhale, bend gently into the right knee if that's suitable. Exhale and look to the left side. So you might open out the palms of the hands here. This is kind of a shadow warrior. So you inhale, lift up. Exhale, bend into the left knee, and again, open the palms, look in that direction. Inhale to lift up. If it bothers the knees, then just stay relatively upright. Exhale. Now this time, know that you can stay here. You can bring the hands to prayer position. If it doesn't bother your knees, you might bring the fingertips to the floor, or you might even sink all the way down so that right heel is lifted and you balance on the heels. So again, you have the options: fingertips, palms of the hands together, or open palms. A little bit of balance, breathe in. Just embrace. A little challenge on the balance, that's okay. Now from here, inhale, squeeze the pelvic floor wherever you are, it's fine. We're just going to transition. So we inhale, maybe press the heel down, and then exhale, transition to the opposite side. Remember your options here: fingertips, you can come down, you can press the palms together, or again, you can open the palms of the hands. Breathe in. Good. Steady the breath. Try and straighten out through the arms as best you can. Very good. And then from here, bring the palms to center. Inhale, lift up as we come to Prasarita Padottanasana A. And then exhale, let the head dangle. So squeeze the elbows back. Hands are about shoulder distance. If this is easy for you, walk your hands in towards your heels, straighten your legs. If it's difficult, bend the knees. Maybe look forward. You could even bring your hands to a brick. From the chair, you just step wide and can dangle from there. So wherever you are, just feel the inner thighs have engaged. Good. Now from here, double finger loop the big toes. Or if that's not an option, take the ankles or the shins. Inhale, lift the chest as we come to D variation. Exhale, hinge the elbows wide and let the head dangle in the middle of the box. Breathing. Try to keep your weight moving towards the toes rather than rocking back in the heels. The neck is free. Gazing off the tip of the nose. And then inhale, lengthen. Exhale, release the hands to the waist. Squeeze the inner thighs. Inhale as we lift. Slowly all the way up. Exhale, relax the shoulders. Give yourself a moment. Good, nice and easy. And then we're going to pivot. So you're going to turn to the right side, pivot on that right foot, and then bring the hands down as you pivot on the back foot. And then from here, inhale, press the palms down and step back to a plank position or a knees down plank. And stabilize for a moment. And then exhale, push back into downward dog. Remember, you can bring the knees down and take single legs back as an option. You can do downward dog off the back of the chair or just lengthen forward. Just feel length emerging through the length of the body. And then on the inhale, look forward, step the right leg through, exhale, bring the left knee down. So option to keep the toe tuck or lose it if it's too much as we come into Anjaneyasana. Inhale, lift. And on the exhale, just wrap yourself over that right knee. If you need to be higher up, that's fine. Just nice and easy. Now from this position, see if you can open the palms again. So you have an option to press together. That's it. You can open the palms. A little extra challenge is to see if we can lift that back knee up. See if it's possible. Use the strength of your lower body, squeezing and lifting. Good. One more breath. Good. And then exhale back to center. Inhale, step back to plank, stabilize. From here, exhale, you can either bring the knees down or lower through chaturanga, squeeze the elbows in, release the toes. Roll the shoulders open, inhale, lift into cobra of choice. And then tuck the toes, exhale, push back into downward dog. Take a breath. Good. From here, look forward, inhale, step through with the left leg or help the left leg through. Exhale and bringing that right knee down. Again, inhale, lift up and see if you can roll around to that left side and press the palms together, same as before. Or you can open the palms of the hands and just kind of look over the shoulder. Option, if you wish, is to lift the back knee up, stabilize, squeeze. Make sure you're still breathing. Good, firm the muscles of the legs. One more breath. And then exhale, well done. Come back to center. Inhale, step back into your plank. Exhale, back into downward dog. And then inhale, make your way through to a seated position. And exhale. And we'll just stretch the legs out in Dandasa for a moment. Just stabilize. Hands by the sides of the body. Good. And from here, inhale, bend the right knee in. Exhale, drop the right knee out. If you need to take the leg all the way out, that's okay. You'll step the leg out if you're sitting in the chair. From here, inhale, rotate to forward facing. Good. Exhale. Press into the left hand and then inhale, lift the right arm up. You can point the toes if you wish. Side bend. An option here is to come lower, so to bring the forearm down and kind of stretch from there. Good. Drop the shoulders down as you lift the chest. Breathing and feeling. And then squeeze the pelvic floor. Inhale, lift up. And exhale, and we just release through the opposite side. You can just bring the right hand down. If it's easy for you, you can take hold of the big toe and make a shape there. Or you might take hold of the outside of the thigh and make a shape there. So Parigasana variation. Wherever you need to be is fine. So just breathe. Don't compete with yourself. See where you need to be. Good. And then squeeze the pelvic floor. Inhale slowly up and exhale. Rotate to face forward. Inhale, we change sides. Exhale, right knee extend. Sit tall. Good. Inhale, bend in the left knee. Exhale, and that left knee drops out. So we come into a Janu Sushasana variation. Remember your options with this leg as you need to take them. And inhale, exhale, bring the right hand back. And then inhale, lift with the left hand. Again, you can point the toes. Just feeling release as you draw the shoulders down by pressing into that back hand. Good. An option, same as before, is to bring the forearm down. As always, try to stack the bones on top of each other. As you breathe, that's an option. You can hold the Mula Bandha. On the inhale, we lift up and we gradually change sides. You might do a swing through that right arm. As the stretch emerges, see where you can soften and release. Winding down after this 14 days of practice. Done really well. Hope you're going to keep it up. Lots of 10-minute classes, 20-minute classes on the program. Just keep it going. Remember your options here. You can take the big toe, or you can continue to fold if that's easy for you. Take hold of the opposite foot. Very good. Just checking with how you're feeling. I know that this feeling, this prana, is so good to carry into the rest of the day. So we squeeze to lift up, big inhale. Exhale, rotate to facing forward. Inhale, gather the left knee in. And exhale, stretch out the legs. Sit tall for a moment, Dandasana. The hands to Anjali Mudra. And then from here, you can come to Sukhasana, easy cross-legged position, or however is comfortable. From here, stretch out the arms into Padmasana. First finger touches the thumb. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, release, chin to chest. Really focus on the breath. Big inhale. Big exhale. I'm doing two more. Big inhale. Big exhale. Last one. Big inhale. Big exhale. So then release the mudra. Bring the hands to Anjali. Take a moment, close the eyes. Focus on the energy around the heart space. Feel the connection between body, mind, emotions, and breath. These are the koshas, the layers of being. Our yoga practice draws them more into a state of unity. And give thanks for your health, your practice. And then inhale, lift, prayer hands up. Exhale to center. Namaste. So thank you for joining me on this 14-day practice. If you really like these challenges, we also have a 30-day Ashtanga Yoga challenge. We have a 30-day practice challenge. So just have a look for the challenges if you really want to keep this structure going. And do leave me some comments. Do subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you really soon on the mat. Take care.